In this video, we're going to talk about how to convert a decimal into a fraction using Excel. So to begin, highlight any cell that you see here and then enter the decimal value. So let's convert 0.25 into a fraction. So right-click that cell, and then if you're using one of the newer versions of Excel, this option should come up. Go up where you see this dollar symbol, and then click the arrow, and then choose More Accounting Formats. And then select Fraction, and then up to 3 digits. And then it's going to convert the decimal into a fraction. So 0.25, as you can see here, is equivalent to 1/4. So let's try another example. Let's try 0.225. Let's convert that into a fraction. So right-click it, and then change the accounting number format into a fraction, and then select up to 3 digits. So 0.225 is 9/40. Now what about if we have a repeating decimal? Let's say 0.4 repeating. So you can follow the same process. Just change it to a fraction and select up to many digits as possible. In this case, the limit is 3 digits. So 0.4 repeating is 4/9. What about 0.57 with the 2 repeating? Let's see what answer we're going to get. So that's going to be 103 divided by 180. Now let's try 0.365. So let's follow the same process. And so as you can see, it's very easy to use Excel to convert a decimal into a fraction. However, there are limits. For example, let's say if we have 0.3599885354. Let's try to convert that into a fraction. Let's see what's going to happen. So notice that we get 9/25, and that is not the right answer. 9/25, it's really 0.36. So if you type in 9 divided by 25, let's say equals 9/25, that's 0.36, but this is really, it's rounding it to 9/25. The exact answer for that is 1256 divided by 3489. Well, let me convert that into a decimal using the equal sign. And so that's the number that we had here. They rounded the last digit. But as you can see, if you want to use Excel to convert a decimal to a fraction, this particular Excel that I'm using will only convert it to a fraction with 3 digits. Here we have a fraction with 4 digits, and that's why it didn't work. So the best that it can do, particularly this version, is convert a decimal to a fraction where the numerator and the denominator only have 3 digits. If it's anything more, it's going to give you a rounded answer like 9/25, which is 0.36, and instead of giving you the exact answer. So there are limitations with this. So if your fraction has 4 digits or more, either in the numerator or the denominator, then this software is not going to help you unless you have a more advanced version that can do up to 4 digits. Because if you go to it, let's say, if you right-click it and change the accounting formats and select fraction, as you can see, the most you can go up to is up to 3 digits. There's nothing beyond that. So if the option was available where we can go up to 4 digits, then we can get an accurate answer, but it stops at 3. And so that's basically it for this video. And now you know how to use Excel in order to convert a decimal into a fraction. Thanks for watching.